Hi, Highland Ranch. It's me, Mr. Aaron, and I'm bringing in my brother today, Jacob. Say hi, Jacob.
Hello.
And today we're going to be showing you guys how to play Speed. This is a card game that sometimes some of us play in ESS, but I wanted to show the rest of us how to do it. Pretty simple setup. First things first, you need to split up the deck between the two of you. Oh, reminder, this is only a two-person game. So split up the deck between the two of you. You're going to grab 5 cards in your hand. Make sure you always have 5 cards in your hand. And what's going to happen is I'm going to take one deck. This is mine. My brother's going to take the other one. And on the count of 3, we're going to flip the top card over, and then we're going to start laying down cards from our hand that are ascending or descending order. So as an example, we're going to flip down the top cards. Boom. It's an ace and a 2. So on top of the 2, I can take a 3 out of my hand and put it down and then draw another card. And then, Jacob, do you have something that you want to play?
Well, I had a 3.
Oh, you had a 3.
Yes. But you took my spot.
Yeah.
Which goes to show the name of the game, Speed.
Yeah, because you got to be faster than your partner because we're not supposed to be communicating. It's supposed to be as fast as you can, throwing cards out of your hand down onto the ground. Hence the name. So do you want to quickly play a little bit of a game here, Jacob? Just real fast?
Sure, yeah.
So you want to flip a card again? All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Queen. I got a jack for that.
I got a queen.
That's a 5. So I got a 6, a 5, 6.
5.
That's a 5. I'll put a 4. I'll put a queen on your king.
Put a 3 there.
I'll put a 4, and then a 3, and then a 2.
Oh, boy.
And then there might come a point where you get stuck, where nobody can put anything down, and I think this is a point. And during that time, you grab another card from the top of the deck, and you flip it back over, and you just keep going until somebody runs out of cards. And yeah, that's the game Speed. I hope you guys have fun, and I'll see you later. Bye, Highland Ranch.